How to clean laptops. Every day you use your laptop on many things, like watching the videos, working, listening to the music, or even eating around your laptop. It is very important to regularly clean it so you can keep dust and germs free. Prepare the tools. First, please turn off the laptop. Remove AC adapter and all accessories attached. Wipe water stains with a soft cloth. Use the brushes, soft cloth, and cotton swab to swipe out particles that stuck between the keys and touchpad. And then wipe carefully with appropriate cleaning solution or isopropyl alcohol. Clean top cover and monitor. Wipe gently to clean out the surface dust or smudges of your laptop cover and screen. Now your notebook is clean and shiny.